Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Medellin, Colombia. And I had a message that I wanted to say for aspiring programmers who came from an untraditional path, such as a self-taught path, or maybe you studied in community college, or I'm from Canada, so we just say college. And you didn't go to university, you don't have internships, any of that stuff, you're trying to break into the industry. The one thing that you want to keep in mind at this tough time is that getting the first job is always the hardest. It's difficult to prove to potential employers your value when you don't have any work experience. And that grind to get the first job can be really demotivating. It can be long. I've known people who have gone through that process and it's taken them years to get that first job. For myself, it took me a few months after finishing school to get the first job, and I think it took me about 3 months to get an internship, or to get an interview, sorry. I went to community college, so it was a shorter program, a 2-year program, and I didn't have any internships at that time, so I really had to hustle applying for jobs, trying to get interviews, and it was a very slow process to get that started. But if you keep it going, if you can push through that initial adversity to start, once you get your first job, you are in the clear. Obviously, you have to perform. Obviously, you have to work hard. But just know that after that, and once you've gained a year or two of experience, your career will become vastly easier. You, in all likelihood, if you chose a type of programming that is popular, you will never be out of work. If you keep advancing your skills, you will be good for a long time coming. So just remember, if you're going through that right now, that the beginning is the hardest part. Breaking into the industry is the hardest part. But once you get there, you'll be good to go. Cheers. Have a good one.